Hello everyone, my name is Curtis Lilly and I'm here to talk about what is affiliate marketing. So, before we get started, make sure that you go down to the bottom of the screen and subscribe to my page. And if you like the video, hit like, or hit like anyway, because we all want likes when we're doing videos, right? So, if you're new to internet marketing, the best way to start in affiliate marketing is just to go out and find some vendors or find someone who's selling a product, and you just market that product and you make money online. And what's good about this is that you're not stocking any products, you're not making any products, you're not doing any accounting, you're not doing any shipping, so it's not costing you anything. You're just marketing the product and then you're getting paid. So what are the 3 ways that you can earn through affiliate marketing? Well, number 1, you get paid for clicks. So you go out and you find a partnership with a vendor or a company, and so they give you a link, and every time someone clicks that link and visits that website, you earn a revenue, you earn money. Sometimes that revenue is residual, so you can get it every month. The second way you can earn money is by getting paid for completing sales. So again, you advertise the link, your visitors come to your link, they click it, they go to the website, they purchase something, and then you in return get a percentage or you get commission. So that's a win-win situation. Third, you can get paid for sign-ups. So if a client goes to that site and they decide to register to that website and you advertise and you market that link, then you made a percentage again, or you made a commission. So again, that's a win-win too as well. So while you're doing this, you can do it for many different companies and you can make additional income. You can make a little bit of money, and if you work harder, you can make a lot of money. Now, when you do this though, there are 5 important rules that you should understand when you're doing this. The first one is, when you're looking at these merchants and these businesses, find out how much they pay in commissions. Myself, I look for commissions 50% or above. If not, I go out and I find another merchant or another business partner or something else that I can advertise. Second, you want to know how often do you get paid. Some companies pay you daily, some weekly, some monthly. Some you have to get to a certain threshold. So make sure you look at that, because you want to get paid as quick as possible. Third, you want to make sure that whatever company you're marketing for has some kind of tracking mechanism. So this way, as you're advertising your link, you get paid. That's very important. You don't want to be advertising a link and it's not credited to you and you don't get paid for all the hard work that you're doing. Fourth, does the company have any successive sales? So what that means is, let's say you go to, you're advertising the link, I sign up, I buy a product. But let's say a month later I come back to that site, but not using your link, and I log in and I buy something else. Ensure that that also is credited to you. So if this person purchases something from this vendor every month for the next 10 years, you get paid every time they come back. So having successive sales is very important. And number 5, what promotional means does the merchant offer? Do they give you a link? Do they give you a website? Do they give you articles? Do they give you banners? You need material to advertise. And you start off with that, and then you make your own advertisement, so you're different from everyone else. So again, this is what affiliate marketing is. Make sure that you write down your goals. Make sure you get out, find you some merchants, find you a business partner, find something to market, and do it and make money. And by the way, remember, you're not doing any of the hard work. You're not making the product, you're not shipping the product, you're not handling accounting, you're not out here paying people to build something. The only thing you're doing is advertising a link, and that's very important. Now, don't forget to come back, because we're going to share videos, and these videos are going to help you with affiliate marketing, what's new online, what you can do to make money. It's very, very important that you keep up with this page, so make sure you go down to the bottom, make sure you subscribe, make sure you like the page, and look out for our next video. It will be coming soon. Thank you.